Hello, my lovies. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, my lovies. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are grubbing down on some bone marrow. Air fryer bone marrow. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Fan Bam Lovey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on that post notification. And now, Mama Jumbo, let's get down to the nitty gritty. If bone marrow is not your thing, if you don't like slurping, if you think bone marrow is gross, then I suggest you just exit out this video now because you're not going to like it. You could see my cat in the background. He's enjoying the beautiful sunniness, so the window is open for them. If you hear some noise, that's what it is. So yeah, we have a roasted bone marrow, some toasted bread here, and then I have some marinated mushrooms and some kimchi to cut like the fattiness. You know, you usually need something vinegary. So yes, let's get it in because I have been smelling it and it smells divine. So yeah, the bones are really, really hot. Like, look at this. Let's see. I'm interested to see how it came out in the air fryer because honestly, it was so fucking easy. Look at that. And then you spread it. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. Oh my god. That was... Look at that. I see you. Chef's kiss. I love when it has a little bit of meat or cartilage on the outside. Every time I do a bone marrow video, there's always people that comment like, oh, that's gross. Listen, I know bone marrow is not for everyone. If you don't like watching it, then don't click on it. Don't say my bone marrow is gross. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. I choked on my saliva. Air fryer, so much better and so much easier. Put it in at 400 degrees for it's 15 to 20 minutes depending. Like, you have to check. These were frozen and I put it in for a total of I think it was 18 minutes because if I would have cooked it a little more, some of the fat would have came out. Like, the bone marrow would have came out. Ow, I love the bone. I was in H Mart when I saw that they had it. So I was like, yes, please. One down. A little bit of kimchi for the gut. A little bit of probiotic. Kimchi is very good in probiotic. FYI, in case you didn't know. I love kimchi. And then marinated mushroom. I get them from the Italian supermarket I go to. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna do a slurp one. So if you don't like slurping, it's not for you. Man. The seasoning is just right. I'll put salt. Oh, my sister's in the background. You good? Salt, but not table salt. The crystal salt. What is it called? The ones with the bigger things for like meat. The ones we have, the one we have in the blue container. Sea salt. Hey salt. And garlic. No olive oil, because this already has a lot of fat that comes out. And that's all. And it tastes bomb. Like, the salt gets, I don't know if you can see it on there. You see that? That's all the salt and the garlic. You should be able to see through them when you're done. It's pretty big. Ooh. Listen. I crave bone marrow. Okay. Now I understand. Not everybody's cup of tea, but clean, baby. That's the stuff you want in there, right there. Yeah. My favorite bone marrow is lamb bone marrow. Ooh. Look at this. Ah. Like, bruh. Oh, that's gonna be a good ass bite. Like, oh yeah. It is. It's a delicacy. It is. Chef's kiss. Ten out of 10, baby. If I look a little red, even my scalp is red. I went to the beach yesterday, but not to like go in the water or anything. If you're from Queens, you know Reese Park. It's like a park, and then the beach is right there. We went like as a family, and took my niece to the park, and then we went and sat on the beach for a while. I found the shell. I found what is it? A hermit's crab shell that looks. It has like an evil eye in it, and if you know, I'm like an evil eye fanatic. Like I always wear something with an evil eye. The center looks like an evil eye. So I'll post a picture. I'll insert a picture for you guys if you don't follow me on IG. I found a couple of other nice ones. So we brought them home. We were like on the beach looking for shells. It was sounds so corny, but it was actually really fun. And then brought them home, and my evil eye shell freaking reek. I'm telling you, I clean these shells. Like I put them in water. I put them in water and vinegar, and I was letting them sit. And then I never cleaned shells before because I never bought a shell home. And then I look up on Google, and it says you could clean with vinegar, but like brush it. Don't let the shells sit because it'll like activate something, and then it'll dissolve the shell. So I was like, get my shell out of the vinegar. I got it out. I'm like, hopefully it's clean the smell. No. It fucking reeked. Then it said to try hydrogen peroxide. Tried that. Let it sit in there for a while. Check it out. All the other shells don't smell. They're fine. Oh, except for one other one. Like it smelled like a little bit. All the other shells, clean. Don't stink. I'm like, oh my god, what do I do? So, then it said, other option, a little bit of bleach, water. Did that, let it sit in there for a while. Took it out. Still fucking reeked. So the last possibility, I like looked at a shell expert video on YouTube. Apparently, when they smell like that, it's because there was obviously an animal there, and they go all the way to the center where it's like so tiny that tissue could be remaining. Like the animal is gone, but there could be some other tissue remaining. So it smells. So they say the last remedy for that is if you take it outside and put it like with the dirt. Leave it there for like a week, and the ants come and go inside and clean it up for you. And that is how the smell leaves. Who knew ants were so dirty? Yuck. But, so that's what I did. And that's my last hope. And if not, I'm unfortunately going to have to get rid of the shell. But I just felt like, even though I found like 2 other ones that also had, looked like they had an evil eye on it. But that one, it was like that was like the first one, and I was just like thinking about like, oh my god, like protection, thank you for protecting me and blah blah blah. So I just felt it was like a sign, you know. But if that smell's not gone, I'm gonna have to get rid of it. Like, Mother Nature, I thank you, but Jesus, that shouldn't smell horrible. And I know some people are like, oh my god, you're gonna hurt your teeth. That's why I got 2 big rabbit teeth in the front. I always call them rabbit teeth. It is what it is. I know, bro. I know what I got. God knew I love bones. Oh, the dog's out. So he said, let me give this girl 2 big rabbit teeth. And I thank God. Look at that. Oh, yeah. So how are my lovies doing? Guys, the weather's getting nice. I'm so excited. You know when you just feel like it's going to be a really good summer? Oof. Look at that. Look at that. I know it's going to be a good summer. Like what? I've been working on my body, yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. And I'm ready. Well, I'm not 100% ready, but we getting there. Ooh, look at that. You see the... It's like butter. Butter, baby. I mean... It's just so good. Man. I'm telling you, with toast, it's the best thing. Get some Italian bread, slice it thin, put it in the toaster. Get it to that point where it's like crispy and so like crispy on the outside, but still has a little softness. Put that sucker right on. And I woke up with a lot of energy today. I don't know why. I think it's because I connected with them, with Mother Nature yesterday. My sister's laughing at me, but it's true. You don't feel like you have... Ow! Motherfucker. Shit went in my eye. Oh, yeah. You hear that? Nerve, baby. You don't feel energized, Monia? Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, good moon. Ready to take on the world. You know, it's so good when you go to like a peaceful place. Like, there wasn't that many people on there. It's one thing going to the beach like in the summer, and it's another thing going like when there's hardly anyone there. Because in the summer, people are playing music, talking really loud. when you go, when there's no one, like hardly anyone there, it's like so peaceful. At least for me. Anyways. I actually got like a nickname for Bones. Like Bone Massacre. Bone Bone Slayer? No. Bone Restore. Because I restore bones, so how they were. I don't know. Comment down below a good name. Bone Muncher? Oh. Love marinated mushrooms. Ooh. I know these people are like, you're not tired of the bone marrow? You don't get like, I mean, that's why you have vinegary stuff. You have to. Because if not, then yeah, of course it's going to get to you. Come on. Oh yeah, you saw that come to mama? Monica, did you want? No. Okay, I'm not going to act twice. Man. Oh, man. Good shit. This is good for having good reason for my nails because you get in there and just scrape up. It usually all comes out in one sweep though, with the knife. These videos tend to take me a little longer because I put some TLC up in these bones, you know? Oh. I made sure to get the job done. Sounds dirty, but somebody's gonna have to do it. Like, I know people who just eat the bone marrow and then, like, throw this away. Why would you do such a thing? Like, it needs TLC too, you know? Clean. I'm telling you. Oh, I cleaned that one already. My last one. So sad, and it's such a small one. It's one of those that tricked me. Like, I thought all this was bone marrow. Nope, not. Look at this little itty bitty bit. What kind of cheapery? This bone was hella cheap. Look at that. That really tricked me. I was like, oh, I'll save the best for last. That wasn't the best. Fair. Like that. Here. Get down. Every time I do this, I think of the audio, and it goes, she fucking that shit. Oh. Take her down. Her. He doesn't respect me at all. He ignores me. Let me tell you something. Everyone always asks how I stayed looking so young. This just gave me major side eye. The answer is bone marrow. Bone marrow, cartilage. Partially good genes too. Cause my dad never really looked his age. And neither was my mom. But this helps. It has a lot of collagen. And you know. Alright. Let me stop because I look crazy with that bone. If you don't know, bone marrow has a lot. What is this spot on my face? Like, you guys see that? What is that? It's not a pimple. At least I don't think so. I tore this shit up. Alright, my lovies. Don't forget, give this video 2 big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to join the fam bam. And until next time, remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats.